Hey guys, it's Tyler, and welcome back to Reviews of Cool Stuff. Today I am looking at this Aklot ukulele. This is a beginner kit with a concert ukulele. So let's start by looking in the box. What you've got is it comes with a case, a gig bag that has a little pocket in the front. And then inside we've got our uke. I'll unwrap that in just a second. All right, let's see what else we've got in our gig bag here. We've got a strap, a tuner, a cleaning cloth. I've never seen that come in a kit before. A cleaning cloth here. And it looks like we've got some extra strings in the back, and then a little book for lessons. And I saw this all before online. When I looked at this ukulele, I read a bunch of the Amazon reviews. I've reviewed a bunch of K-Meese ukuleles on this channel before, and I've been very happy with them. I think they make great ukuleles. But I've never tried an Aklot one, and my students were asking for more ukuleles in my classroom. And so I decided to get this one, and I did some research on it first. So I can tell you quite a bit that I know about it. First, here we go, out of the box. It's beautiful ukulele. Let's look at some of the details as I pull this off here. Come on. Okay, so let's start here at the top. It comes with this little bird on here, which I think is cool. When we look at the pegs, you'll see that it's copper and brass for the gears. So not your cheap plastic, which is nice. Solid mahogany fretboard. Which is pretty cool. And then here's kind of the deal breaker on this ukulele. This comes with a solid wood board. The difference between solid wood and a laminate board is with a laminate board, you're going to have, when the sound comes off of the strings, it's going to go every which way. But with a solid board, you get the flow, the vibration, and so it's a richer tone with a solid board. Also, it weathers better. So as time goes on, your sound from a ukulele is actually going to be richer if you have a solid board. Now, that's just one part of the front. Now, the other cool thing is, I don't know how well you can see this, they've rounded the edges. And so a cool thing, it's hard to round a laminate edge, but on a solid board, you can round the edge. And the reason you want a rounded edge is it's simply more comfortable. So as you hold it, you just don't have that hard corner, and so you've got the nice edge to it. And then just another detail here, you see the bird thing here at the bottom as well, and so that's part of the Aklot branding, is this little bird, which is kind of cool. It's a nice looking ukulele, and I've got the little bag inside, so let me pull that out and tune it, and then I'll be right back. All right, so we've got it tuned now, and I went through some of the things in the box. Another kind of bonus that you don't normally get with a ukulele is they sent a traditional and a felt tuner, or tuner pick. So normally you don't get picks with the ukes, but that's kind of a nice thing. So this is truly a true starter package. You've got your strap, you've got your strings, you've got a book, a tuning guide with an electronic tuner, and a cloth to clean it. So this is really the ultimate starting kit. Here's the sounds. All right. So it's kind of a rich sound. Maybe not as rich as, it's not going to boom like you'd get out of a tenor or a baritone ukulele. The traditional soprano ukulele is what a lot of kids start with. It's a little bit smaller than this. I like this one because this is small enough that my kids can play with it. And I'm mostly looking at my kids, not my youngest. So 10-year-old, 11-year-old, this is a really good fit for a 10-year-old, 11-year-old. That's also who I teach at school is fifth graders. And so this is a good size, a concert soprano. It's tuned to your traditional tuning, low G, so it's G, C, E, A. And a couple things to bear in mind with this uke. One, it's beautiful. We like how it looks. It's got that solid top, mahogany fretboard, high quality parts. And so this is the kind of uke that you would see anywhere from the $75 to the $250, $300 range, depending on the brand and stuff like that. Now, of course, this does not cost that much. I think this is right around $65, and that comes with all the extra stuff, the part of the kit, the gig bag and everything else. So it's probably the cheapest high quality ukulele on the market. So if you're looking to get a really inexpensive ukulele, maybe not with all the whistles and bells, but one that looks beautiful, that sounds good, and is high quality materials, this is a good starting ukulele for you. And I'll go ahead and link in the description below on where you can go to order it. If you want to read reviews, I've already read a ton of the reviews. That's why I bought this in the first place. So this is one of the highest rated reviews on Amazon. And it's, you know, it's just at the right price point. So if you're looking for your first ukulele or a ukulele for a child, this is a really good place to start. I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals